Number 17. Use the dot grid to draw one triangle that is similar to the one below and one triangle that is not similar to the one below. Label these triangles similar and not similar. The easiest way to draw a similar triangle to this right triangle would be to apply a scale factor. So I'm going to apply a scale factor of 2 and multiply 4 times 2 to give me this side, which will be 8. You start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're not counting the dots. There are 9 dots, but we're counting the spaces between the dots because those represent our units. If these were inches, we would start with this dot, and that would be 0. And we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches. Okay, this base times 2 also. So times 2, a scale factor of 2, we're going to get a base of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this base is 16, scale factor of 2. And I don't like my chances of drawing a straight line here on this writing tablet, but I'm going to try anyway. I did pretty good. Okay, so this is similar. We could write ratios of our corresponding sides comparing. I'm going to go this same direction, comparing the small triangle to the large triangle. 4 over 8 must equal 8 over 16. They both simplify to 1/2. 1/2 equals 1/2, so that's how you prove they're similar. Now, when I draw my triangle that is not similar, I'm going to use a method that I've seen some of you use just to kind of emphasize that it doesn't work. I'm trying to see if I have enough room here. Okay, I'm going to put it, let's see. I'm going to start right here. Okay, I'm going to add 1 to both of these dimensions. So I'm going to do 8 plus 1 is 9. So I'm going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I'm going to add 1 to the 4, give me a height of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Adding 1 to both sides does not make a similar triangle. If you want to make a similar triangle, you have to scale it up or down. You have to multiply by a common multiply by the same number going up, or you can divide by the same number going down, but you can't just add the same number to both sides, and I'm going to prove it here. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side is 8 plus 1 or 9. Now let's set up our proportion to see whether or not these are really similar. I'm going to compare the small triangle to the larger triangle. 4 over 5, comparing the smallest side to this smallest side, should equal the longest side, 8, to the longest side of the bigger triangle, 9. And both of these fractions are already simplified down as far as they can go. And we know 4/5 does not equal 8/9. So they're not equal, they're not proportional, and these triangles are not similar. Okay, so don't fall into that trap, don't make that mistake. You have to multiply by a common factor. You can't simply add the same number to all the dimensions. Okay, that wraps up the review. If you've watched the whole thing, you're studying hard, I know you're going to do great on tomorrow's test. So get some sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow.